Welcome to Auto Luxury, where we celebrate the timeless beauty, engineering, and unforgettable stories behind classic automobiles. If you love vintage vehicles and rare automotive history, make sure to subscribe and join our journey through the golden age of motoring. Today, we travel back to the fascinating world of vintage recreational vehicles with the remarkable 1974 Dodge DayStar Motorhome, a machine that represents freedom, adventure, and the spirit of life on the open road. While sports cars and luxury sedans often dominate classic car conversations, vehicles like the Dodge DayStar deserve appreciation for the unique role they played in automotive culture. The 1974 Dodge DayStar Motorhome arrived during a memorable era in American history. The early and mid-1970s were years when road travel carried a special magic. Families packed their belongings, friends gathered for long journeys, and highways became pathways to discovery. Motorhomes symbolized independence, offering travelers the comfort of home while exploring distant landscapes. The Dodge DayStar stood proudly among those rolling homes. At first glance, the 1974 Dodge DayStar commands attention with its bold and unmistakably vintage design. Its squared body lines, generous dimensions, and practical shape remind us that this machine was built with purpose. Yet beyond functionality, there is undeniable charm in its styling. The large windshield, classic grille, and strong Dodge front-end identity give the DayStar a personality that feels welcoming and adventurous. Unlike modern recreational vehicles packed with digital screens and complex systems, the DayStar embraced a simpler philosophy. It was designed to provide dependable travel and comfortable living without unnecessary complications. That simplicity is part of what makes vintage motorhomes so appealing today. They remind us of a time when journeys felt slower, more personal, and deeply connected to the road itself. Performance. Under the hood, the 1974 Dodge DayStar typically relied on Dodge's trusted V8 power. These engines were known for their durability and solid torque, qualities essential for moving a fully equipped motorhome. This was not a vehicle built for speed or racing excitement. Instead, it offered steady and confident cruising, encouraging drivers to enjoy the scenery and appreciate the journey rather than rush toward the destination. Driving a classic DayStar is an experience unlike any modern vehicle. The commanding seating position provides a broad view of the road ahead. The steering carries the character of old-school American engineering, and every sound from the engine and suspension creates a sense of mechanical connection. There is an honesty to the driving experience that modern luxury vehicles sometimes struggle to capture. But what truly makes the 1974 Dodge DayStar special lies beyond the driver's seat. Step inside, and the spirit of the motorhome reveals itself. Vintage cabinetry, compact living spaces, sleeping areas, and practical storage combine to create a mobile home filled with warmth and personality. For many families, these interiors became temporary homes filled with laughter, meals, stories, and unforgettable memories. Imagine a summer morning in 1974. A family prepares breakfast inside the DayStar while parked near a lake or mountain campsite. Children look out the windows at the surrounding nature, while parents plan the next destination. This is more than transportation. It is a lifestyle built around togetherness and exploration. Interior. The interior design reflected the trends of its era. Warm colors, textured materials, and practical layouts created an atmosphere that feels nostalgic today. Modern RVs may offer more technology and larger spaces, but many enthusiasts believe vintage motorhomes like the DayStar possess a soul that newer models cannot replicate. Another reason enthusiasts admire the 1974 Dodge DayStar is its growing rarity. Time has not been kind to many motorhomes from this period. Exposure to weather, changing ownership, and limited preservation mean surviving examples are increasingly difficult to find. That rarity has elevated appreciation for well-maintained or restored DayStar models. Collectors and vintage RV enthusiasts now seek these motorhomes not only for travel but also as symbols of automotive heritage. Some owners carefully restore them to original condition, preserving factory colors and interior details. Others personalize their DayStars with tasteful upgrades while respecting the classic character that makes them unique. There is also a cultural importance attached to vintage motorhomes. They represent a chapter of American life where travel was more spontaneous and deeply rooted in adventure. Long before smartphones and GPS navigation, families relied on paper maps, roadside conversations, and curiosity to guide their journeys. The Dodge DayStar reminds us of that human side of travel. Even parked at a classic car event or campground today, the 1974 Dodge DayStar attracts admiration. People stop, smile, and share memories. Some remember family vacations. Others simply appreciate the craftsmanship and authenticity of a machine built with practical purpose and enduring style. The DayStar may not possess the glamorous image of an exotic sports car or luxury coupe, but its value lies somewhere deeper. It represents memories, exploration, and the dream of carrying home wherever the road may lead. That emotional connection is why vintage motorhomes continue to inspire passion among collectors and travelers alike. As we celebrate the 1974 Dodge DayStar Motorhome, we honor more than just metal and machinery. We honor an era of freedom, family adventure, and timeless road culture that still inspires dreamers today. Thank you for joining Auto Luxury as we explored this classic rolling home. If you enjoyed this journey through vintage automotive history, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Stay with Auto Luxury for more legendary classics and timeless automotive stories. Until next time, keep the passion alive and keep dreaming of the open road.